To separate Detroit, Michigan from its automotive roots would be impossible. The M1 Concourse Raceway honors this automotive legacy by allowing vehicle aficionados a place to put the pedal to the metal, right in their own backyard.
Most people don't want to bring a racetrack to my neighborhood, a few blocks from my house. But I'm just an entrepreneur and had an interesting idea and did a lot of research and was looking for a property and couldn't find anything that suited my needs.
The blighted property, once considered an eyesore, now is seen as a shining beacon, bringing in customers from all over the world. It took a keen eye to see the worth of the property before purchase.
When Racer took the site over from the bankruptcy court, the site was pretty much slab on grade, concrete and asphalt.
This looks like a nuclear site or something happened here. People thought I was nuts.
It's much harder to find redevelopers that are willing to take on potential liability of a brownfield site like this without a PPA.
A prospective purchaser agreement, or PPA, guarantees new owners that any discovered contamination will be cleaned up at Racer's expense.
I was very worried that if we dropped a bomb on them with 10,000 pages of environmental work and it wasn't easy to understand, no one's going to buy these things. In partnership with the EPA, we were able to craft summary documents to say, you can look at everything, but here's the summary, here's the protections you have. We got a PPA, this prospective purchase agreement.
The property was sold and development started. EPA was willing to work with Racer and the owner. As areas of the property have become available and completed, then we've been able to go back in and finish remediation.
Because we were able to put this track on the site and use it for corporate business, not just the enthusiast business, it's an incredible opportunity.
Sports car enthusiasts were not the only group to benefit from M1 Concourse's investment in the old brownfield site.
Fast forward a few years now, when they realized that their property values have gone up 350% in the adjoining neighborhood, that we were hiring local residents from the community. If it wasn't for this location and this site, this site would probably stay empty forever. But I tell people, don't believe all the hype about bureaucracy and the nonsense. The EPA, in my experience, they try and be as efficient as possible. No one wants things to stay blighted. I'm still looking for more Racer Trust properties to see what else is in the portfolio, and I'm actively looking at some other projects.